The best dash cams available on Amazon UK. These are the top 5 best-selling dash cams in the UK. Number 1. The Orskey Dash Cam. This is a front and rear full HD dual in-car dash camera. The Orskey Dash Cam has a 170-degree wide-angle HDR camera with a 3-inch LCD display. It has night vision, motion detection, and G-sensor functions. It gets 5 out of 5 stars and sells for £39.99, making it the best value dash cam available. Number 2. The Orskey 1080p Full HD Camera. This great dash camera has a full 170-degree wide angle with a 3-inch LCD display as well as night vision, motion detection and G-sensor functions. This Orskey Dash Cam gets 4.5 stars out of 5 and is priced at just £32.99. Number 3. The Nextbase 312GW. This is a full 1080p HD in-car camera. It has a 140 degrees viewing angle, Wi-Fi and GPS. The Nextbase 312 Dash Cam offers 1080p HD recording capabilities at 30 frames per second through a 6-element glass lens. The 140-degree wide angle provides high-quality footage for any insurance claim. The Wi-Fi feature enables you to download and share video and photo files directly from the dash cam to your phone or tablet. It gets a great 4.5 stars out of 5 and is currently selling at a discounted price of just £74.95. Number 4. The Pet Show Dash Cam is a front and rear full HD in-car camera with night vision, 3-inch IPS screen, 170 degrees wide angle, loop recording, G-sensor, motion detection and parking monitor. The Pet Show Dash Cam will vividly capture license plates, road signs and any driving incident. The camera has a 170 degrees front and 130 degrees rear camera to eliminate any blind spots. This really is a great value dash cam. It gets 4.5 stars and currently retails for only £39.99. Number 5. The 8-man Dash Cam. This front and rear in-car camera has GPS, Full HD, 170 degrees wide-angle dual lens with G-sensor, WDR, loop recording, motion detection and parking monitoring. The front and rear cameras provide full lane coverage while you drive and capture every moment from both the front and rear of your car. It gets 5 out of 5 stars and is currently on offer at a limited time discounted price of £39.99. You can read the full review of each of the dash cams listed above via the links below. Thanks for watching.